Silicon Valley is promising a future of AI-powered abundance, but there's a huge catch.
You've got tech leaders like Elon Musk predicting explosive growth thanks to artificial intelligence.
All right, so let's get into it. We're going to cover the dream, the reality, and what it all means for you.
This dream of abundance for everyone, it's not new. It actually goes way back to the 1800s.
Yep, even Karl Marx talked about this, envisioning a world where wealth just flows more freely. So what does this AI boom really mean for productivity? Well, the predictions are all over the place.
On one hand, you have tech leaders talking about triple-digit growth in like 5 years.
But economists, they're way more cautious, predicting a much smaller boost to the economy.
Let's try a thought experiment. What if we thought of AI agents as actual workers?
Okay, so if you had 10 million AI workers, you'd see about a 4% GDP boost.
But 100 million? Whoa. That could send GDP soaring by a massive 50%.
And that brings us to the big question on everyone's mind. What happens to our jobs?
There are really two schools of thought here. Is AI a partner, or is it a replacement?
But maybe that's the wrong question. AI pioneer Geoffrey Hinton says the real problem is political.
And this is the paradox. As the world gets richer, it could also get wildly unequal.
See, economics usually has this built-in correction mechanism to keep things balanced.
But AI might just break that mechanism entirely. Suddenly, capital's share could grow forever.
The end game? Basically all the wealth could end up with the people who are already rich.
So how do we fix this? Economists are scrambling to figure out how to rewrite the rules.
Right now, two big ideas are on the table: a global wealth tax and a sovereign wealth fund.
The global tax idea is simple. Tax the ultra-rich everywhere so they can't just move their money.
The other idea? A public fund that buys into AI companies and pays dividends to citizens. Because think about it, if nobody's earning a wage, who's going to buy all the stuff AI makes? It's funny, this whole debate echoes old dreams of a future with less work for everyone. So the tech is creating all this abundance. The only question is, who is it really for?